guys, welcome to another video by Power Productivity, and today I'll be showing you how to solve simultaneous equations with two methods. One is the substitution method and the other is the elimination method. So I'm going to start with the substitution method. So out here you can see y equals x plus 3, and it's just sitting there for you to see. So here, as the name suggests, you'll want to replace the y here with the other variable. Stupid notifications. So here you want to replace 2x plus y, and you want to replace y with x plus 3. So then you do it. So it's 2x plus x plus 3 equals 15. So now you can take away these parentheses because this is a plus sign and you don't need to worry about it. Plus x plus 3. And then we simplify this and move the 3 over to this side. So it'll be 3x equals 15 minus 3. Remember, when you move a number across the equal sign, it becomes the opposite sign, whatever, like negatives become positives and positives become negatives. So here, this is going to become a negative. So 15 minus 3 is 12. 3x equals 12. X equals 4. Okay, let's say you have this equation. So what you want to do here is move one of the two variables to the other side so you can complete this equation. So over here, I'm going to move this y to the other side. So this is a minus sign right now, and then if you move it to this side, it will become a plus sign. So if we move it, it will be x equals 7 plus y. Now we know this, we can replace the x over here with 7 plus y. This x, so this equation will become 7 plus y equals 13. And then you simplify this and move the 7 over to this side. 2y equals 6. And then you simplify it even more. Y equals 3. So now you know that y equals 3, you have to figure out what x is. Now you just place this over here. X equals 7 plus 3. So x equals 10. Okay, that is the substitution method. The other method is the elimination method. And it is not very simple. So what you can do is, so you see how this is a plus sign and this is a minus sign. So you want to kind of combine these two equations to make one equation. So I'm going to just do this, write it out, so it'll be a bit more clear. So you are combining these two things, two equations. So it will be, so see how this is a plus y and this is a minus y? These two will cancel out each other because like plus something and then minus something, it's basically plus or minus 0. So we cancel these out, we add x and x, 2x, and then we add 13 and 5, which is 18. And then we simplify this, it will end up being x equals 9. Now we know what x is, we have to figure out what y is. Now we just insert this 9 into this or this equation, I will use this equation. 9 plus y equals 13. Move this, the 9 over to this equation, so it's 13 minus 9, so y equals 4. And there you have your answer. Now if you have this one, it is a little more difficult. You have 3y and 5y. They don't go together so well, don't they? So what you have to do here is find the least common multiple. Least common multiple for 3y and 5y is 15y. So to get this number to 15y, you have to multiply the whole entire equation. So you have to multiply this whole entire equation by 5 because 3y needs to be multiplied by 5 to get to 15y. So this will be 5x minus 15y equals 10. And this will be multiplied by 3 because 5y needs to be multiplied by 3 to get to 15y. So you multiply everything by 3. 6x plus 15y equals 45. Now you kind of do the same thing. You layer them on top. You don't have to do it this way, but I like to see it this way. And here we go. And then plus 15y, minus 15y plus 15y cancel each other out. Then you add 5x and 6x, which is 11x, and that equals to these two numbers added together, 10x plus 10 plus 45. So that is 55. So 11x equals 55. Simplify that to x equals 5. Now we know what x equals. And then now we have to figure out what y equals. So I'm just going to insert it into this equation. So 5 minus 3y equals 2. So, and then we move 5 to this side. So it'll be 2 minus 5 equals negative 3y because this is a minus sign. It will stick with the 3y. So basically negative 3y equals negative 3. Now we can just take out the negative signs because there are negative signs on both sides. So we both make these positives. 3y equals 3 and y equals 1. Now we have our answer. Y equals 1 and x equals 5. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.